Hello everyone, today we are going over how to combine the if and the or function together to make it even more powerful and useful. And the example that we will be using is of 5 people here who have made a certain number of dollars worth of sales and also a certain number of sales as well. And so we will be using the if and the or function to decide whether or not they are eligible for a bonus. And the bonus criteria that we have set up is that if they have made more than $50,000 worth of sales or 10 or more sales in total. So it's just one of them, not both of them. So that's why we're using this or function. So we are deciding if they get a bonus. And this logical test, this first argument right here, is going to be the or function. So we type in or, and we are deciding again if they made more than $50,000 worth of sales or more than 10 sales, 10 or more sales, excuse me. So this first argument is going to be if this cell is greater than $50,000. So I type in that cell greater than 50000. Our next argument, and now this is blocking it, but in cell C5 is the number of sales that Jason made here. And so we type in C5, and we want to know if that is greater than or equal to 10 sales. So now I hit the closing parenthesis on this, and I type in this comma, which solidifies this or function as our logical test argument. Now, if this value is true, I want it to return me the word yes. And it's important to remember that when typing in words to functions, you need to enclose them in parentheses, or else it will not work. If the value is false, I want it to return me a no. So now I close the parenthesis, I end this function, I hit enter, and it will return me a yes, because even though Jason didn't sell more than $50,000 worth, he made 10 sales, so he is eligible for the bonus. Let's check out Bob. Bob sold $25,000 worth and only had 9 sales, so none of those met the criteria, so he will not be receiving a bonus. If we drag this down and see everybody, or the rest 3, we have Craig, Sally, and Sarah. Craig sold more than $50,000. Sally didn't, but she made 12 sales. And Sarah sold more than $50,000, so all 3 of them will be receiving bonuses. This is everything to know about the if and the or function, so please use this and customize this however you see fit. If you'd like to learn more about beginner, intermediate, or expert Excel functions, tricks, or whatnot, I have series on all of those as well, and I would appreciate if you watch those. But as always, thank you for watching.